Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide most visited in quick access shortcut for Samsung Internet Browser on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, tap on the Samsung Internet Browser app. Next, tap on the menu key, then tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, you want to go down and tap on Home Page. And in here, tap on Quick Access. So if you have it set to default, then you will not see the bottom section. So tap on Quick Access, and in here, you could choose to show most visited pages, or you can choose none. Now you can see if I choose none, and if I go back to my home page quick access, then the most visited section is gone. Now if I turn it back on, then it will show the most visited site section, so that I can quickly tap on the site that I mostly visited. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.